In this video, I'll guide you through how to search in Microsoft Planner so you can quickly find exactly the tasks you need, even in a really busy plan. We'll focus on using the filter tools and keyword search inside a plan and how to combine them to narrow things down efficiently. Let's start from the moment you're already inside a plan. You might be looking at the board, the grid, or the schedule view. No matter which view you're using, the search and filter options work in a similar way. First, look toward the top right corner of your plan. You'll see an option labeled Filter. This is your main control panel for narrowing down what you see. Go ahead and click Filter. When you open it, you'll notice several options that let you slice your tasks in different ways, such as by due date, priority, and progress. Think of the due date filter as a way to focus on timing. You can choose time frames like tasks that are due today, this week, or that are already late. This is really helpful if you're trying to get an overview of what's most urgent, or if you want to check whether anything is slipping behind schedule. By choosing a specific due date range, Planner will hide tasks that don't fall into that window, so your view becomes much more focused. Next, take a look at the priority filter. Tasks in Planner can have different priority levels, such as urgent or important, and this filter lets you see only those that match the level you care about right now. For example, you might filter to show only urgent tasks if you are working through critical items first. This helps you avoid getting distracted by lower priority work. You can also filter by progress. This is useful when you want to see only tasks that are not started yet, tasks that are in progress, or tasks that are already completed. For instance, if you're reviewing what still needs attention, you might hide completed tasks so that only active work remains on the screen. Now that we've covered filters, let's layer in keyword search. At the top of your plan, next to the plan title, you'll see a small magnifying glass icon. Click that magnifying icon to open the search box. Type in a word or phrase related to the task you're looking for. This could be part of the task name, a key term from the description, or something that appears in a checklist or comment. As soon as you start typing, the view updates automatically. Anything that doesn't match your search term is temporarily hidden. This makes it feel a bit like you're spotlighting just the tasks that matter for the moment. The real power comes when you combine keyword search with the filters. You can, for example, type in a keyword related to a project phase, then apply a due date filter to show only tasks due this week, and add a priority filter to show only urgent items. Planner applies all of these at once, so you end up with a very targeted list. If your results feel too narrow, simply clear one of the filters or remove the keyword to broaden the view again. You can turn filters on and off at any time, and your underlying tasks are never deleted, just hidden from view until you clear the filters. By using the filter tool together with the keyword search, you can quickly turn a crowded Microsoft Planner board into a clear, focused workspace that shows only the tasks you actually need to see.